Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. I know it. I can feel it. I can sense it. It's your favorite part of e-learning. Hanging out in Mr. Stevens' basement on a put-together whiteboard. There's nothing else you would rather be doing to get your education. I just know it. I can feel it coming through. I can sense it. So here we are. The last lesson for almost a week. You're not going to get another post from me until next Tuesday, April, whatever other, 14th or something like that. I don't know, something close. So, enjoy this one. If you're missing me for that time frame, you can always go back and watch some old ones just so you know we can hang out. Bring a little bit of algebra into your life. It's good for you. You know it is. But here we are. Double distribution of radicals. We did that yesterday. Day 2. Here we go. Double distribution. It's your friend. We've done it plenty of times. 3 times 4. Whole number. No radical. Don't touch the radical. Easy peasy. Next part of my double distribution. Again, radicals, not radicals. They don't touch each other. They don't intermix. Keep them whole numbers on the outside, radicals on the inside. They don't affect each other. And then finally here, I got a minus, I got a plus. That's a minus. Whole number is 5. Root 2 times root 2 is root 4. Now, yesterday I told you the next step is to clean up, simplify your radicals if you can. No radical, done. Square root of 2, no bueno. Square root of 2, no bueno. Square root of 4. That will simplify. 4. I told you to look out for these. I've been warning you for a while now. Square root of 4, that's one of those perfect squares. It's 2 times 2. So I know the square root of 4 is 2. So this is the same as 5. Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself. Sorry. Times 2. So now I've got 12 plus 15 root 2 minus 4 root 2 minus 10. See, I told you I was getting a little ahead of myself there. Combine like terms. Whole number, radical, radical 2, same radicals. We can go ahead and put those together. 12 minus 10, because I'm not looking here. Remember that plus belongs to the 15. That's a minus 10. Don't look here. The plus belongs to the 15. Those are my like terms. 12 minus 10 is 2. Plus 15 minus 4 is plus 11 root 2. Answer, bing, bang, boom. Let's proceed. Number 2. Another double distribution. I know how much you love them. 6 times 8, 48 root 3. No radicals here to mess with. Again, 6 times here. I got outside times outside. 6 times 3 is negative 18. Root 3 times root 3 is root 9. Some of you are starting to recognize what's going on there. I know you are. Continuing with the distribution. 7 times 8 is negative 56. Negative times negative is positive 21 root 3. Simplify our radicals. So we do our double distribution, we simplify our radicals. Square root of 3, not going to simplify. Square root of 9, that's one of those special ones. The square root of 9 is 3. So this is the same as 18 times 3. No more radical. We've done this a bunch. When it's a perfect square, there's no more radical. It comes out to be a whole number. No radicals left. 56 is 56. Square root of 3, no simplifying. So now I've got 48 root 3. 18 times 3 is 54. Minus 56. Plus 21 root 3. Combine like terms. I got a couple of root 3's together. I got a couple of whole numbers together. I'm going to go, what is that, 69 root 3 minus 110. Oh, baby. Double check my math there. 110. There we go. All right. So again, we double distribute, simplify radicals. We've had 2 of them come out to be whole number perfect squares, just keeping you on your toes. Combine like terms. There's our process. Take a close, careful look at number 3 and number 4. Take a close, careful look. Do you see something? Do they look a little bit shady? Maybe Mr. Stevens is setting you up for something? Let's dive in and find out. Double distribution. I do my double distribution, whole number radical. Don't mix them up. Second double distribution. Minus times plus is minus root 3 times root 3, root 9. Here we go. Simplify your radicals. No radical, root 3, square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Very good. So I simplify my radicals first. Square root of 9 is 3. Combine like terms. 16 minus 3 is 13. And here's where the magic happens. Plus 4 square root of 3 minus 4 square root of 3 is 0 square root of 3, which means 0, which means I don't have a radical. So I started with a radical in both parentheses, and my answer came out to be a whole number. We have a word for a setup like this. Conjugate. When you multiply 2 things together that have radicals, that comes out to be a whole number. I talked to you about this setup. 4 minus root 3, 4 plus root 3, whole number answer. That's my magic. This, by the way, is going to come into play as soon as we get back to lessons next week. Number 4. Is number 4 a conjugate? Yes, it is. So we already know our answer is going to come out to be a whole number. Let's work through it. We don't know what it's going to be, but we know it's going to be a whole number. 5 times 5. 5 times this is minus 10 root 3. Second distributions. Positive 2 times 5 gives me 10 root 3. Here we go. Minus 4 root 9. And there we have it, folks. Square root of 9 simplifies. Do that part first. 4 times 3, so I can really just turn this into 12. Square root of 9 comes out to be 3. We've done it all over the place, and here it is, the magic. 25 minus 12 minus 10 plus 10. No more square root of 3s. This comes out to be 13. I promise you, all conjugate problems do not come out to be 13. That's a complete coincidence with what I had up here. I'm actually sorry it happened. But I'm also more sorry that I will not get to talk to you for about 5, 6, 7 days or so. If you need me for whatever reason, or you need something, reach out to me, shoot me an email, shoot me a Google, message me on Classroom, send me a Hangout. If you need something over these next 6 days or so, reach out, find an administrator. We're there for you guys. We know this is hard. I greatly appreciate you guys logging in every day and checking these out and doing what you can do and trying to get through all this. So stay safe and stay home unless you're getting some fresh air in the yard. But other than that, stay away from people. All right. Take care, guys.